So it has been some months right now since I started actually checking into trading robots, kind of like the Deriv DBot, but I failed it. So I jumped to what? To Metatrader 5, right? Where I actually implement the coding part because I've done C++ before. So on the computer, right, we start by actually what? Running and testing it out on a live market, right? But we cannot do that for this case. So we have to actually go to the what? To the strategy tester. Then within your strategy tester, you go always say settings, right? Then I'm going to actually choose the certain current pair or indices which I actually want to trade. So this one you can actually get it on a broker which I'm linking, time to trade / brace broker. Then we're going to actually select the volatility 751S index. Then I'm going to choose the time frame which will be running on a what? 15 minutes time frame, and then the period is running from actually what? The 1st of February until today's date. Then I'm going to go on the lower right side of the screen. I'm going to press where it said start. Then after clicking start, right, we're gonna be transferred to another window where this trading bot is gonna actually execute. As you can see, it's actually buying, right? This one is about buying using the, oh my goodness, using the, the moving average exponential 50 and 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually speed up so that we can see the results. So it's trading a $1,000 demo account money. Then at the end of the day, we're getting there, we're opening trades, we're running, and our account is decreasing. But the thing is, the good thing is our account is actually what? On 235. But of which the first time when I ran this code, right, when I ran this code, right, what happened is it started making a loss of $1. But what I did, right, is actually I adjusted what? My stop loss and my take profit, and it seems like this one is the trick. Now the other thing which we actually need to do is actually write a buy. This is the, okay, by the way, this one is a what? Is a buy by using a moving average, right? Whenever the market is above the 25 and the 50 exponential moving average, is going to place a buy. But sometimes, as we can see, the market can actually go down, like in this case. Okay, let me just zoom out. In this case, right, there were actually no trades here. From this point to this point, there was no trade. From this point to this point, there was no trade. But we really need to take every chance to actually make money out of the market. So what I'm going to do, right, I'm actually going to go on what? ChatGPT. Hi there, here is my MQ5 code. Okay, then I'm going to paste it, then I'm going to press enter, and then ChatGPT is going to actually write the code until to the end. So let's just wait for it to actually finish. As you can see, it's setting all the moving averages which I did mention, and there is a buy, there's an if statement which we always use in C++, and there is actually what? A statement when the entry is sell position, actually sell, open a trade and put a what? Put a tech, I mean a stop loss. So after doing this, right, I'm actually going to copy my code. And if you actually tell ChatGPT to write a code from scratch by just saying an idea, right, it will actually make an error. I've tried it many times. That's why I'm doing this video. So I've pasted my code, then I'm going to click where it says compile. As you can see, my code has no error. I'm actually going to go to the what? To the Metatrader now. So I'm going to test it again on the same chart, buying and selling. Okay, let me just close everything here so that we can have a clean chart. And I'm going to click where it says start. The moment I press start, right, it's going to direct us to this platform. And as you can see, it's selling right now. There is a sell position, it's going into profit. Let's just zoom in. It's a sell position, it's going on and on, and this is our tight stop loss, and our TP is placed here, right? Then I'm going to actually speed up the thing so that you can see now the balance will actually remain on a higher part. And this is the thing which I'm actually going to use as my guideline. Yes, these trading bots make errors, and I've made errors with it, and now I managed to actually make it as an advice. I'll use it as an advisor when to actually enter the market, because most of the time you'll be away from the computer, you'll be actually away from actually doing it. So at least it will tell you that, well, the moving average 50 and 25 is crossed and the price is above. You can actually look for a buy position, then you actually enter manually, because I'm failing to actually create a trailing stop loss function. Is a hard one, but we're going to face it in the near future. So I'm gonna speed up the whole process, and so that we can get to the results. Okay, it's running. As you can see, the balance is going up and down, but now the difference is, look at it, the difference is, last time we had a 200 something balance left, but this one is actually above. So that means our bot is making profit, but it doesn't mean it will continue making that for years and years. But so it will really require us to actually work on it and put some effort so that we can stay modifying it. But the other thing which you can actually utilize to make it better is actually using this trailing stop loss. So I'm going to actually go to this final graph, right, so that we can actually see what has happened. So what has happened is the market managed to actually open some trades on a 15 minute time frame, right? As you can see, it was utilizing all the opportunities, right? There it sold and it closed, and it sold and the TP was hit and it sold, and this it sold again. It couldn't reach TP because there's no trailing stop loss or any certain feature or functionality that allows it to decide on how to take a profit. Yeah, and then it closed and went on. It seems like it works. So in the next video, we're actually going to look at how we can actually play around having a stop loss. This one is a stressful one. The code, you can actually find it on Time to Trade. Yeah, I hope I'll publish it, but I might not. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. This is Bonus, and welcome to the YouTube channel if it is your first time. Bye. Yeah. Oh, I need water. Hapana fati wangu, hapana fati. Bagaiba. Okay. Again, try to button rokudzima as soon as